Policies. Chances are you may have heard of this term when we talked about an API proxy. Policies are the fundamental building blocks that make up your API, so let's spend a few minutes going into this in more detail. So let's start with defining what a policy is. A policy is essentially a module that does a specific function. As you start to string these policies together, you start to see your API come to life. Think of a policy as a configurable step in a flow. Say you want to create an API proxy that retrieves the details of a specific customer in a database based on their customer ID. A policy in this API could be the extract variable policy, which pulls the customer ID from the API URL and sends it to the target server for lookup. Let's say the backend response is in XML and you want the API to return JSON instead. The transformation from XML to JSON will be another policy that you can use in this instance. Apigee Edge includes over 30 easy-to-configure pre-built policies out of the box. By using these policies, you can program API behavior without writing a single line of code. These policies provide features such as security, rate limiting, payload transformation, and mediation capabilities, just to name a few. When custom code is required, you can create your own policies in Apigee. There are many different points where policies can be configured to execute in your API proxy. In this case, we're taking a look at the different flows that are executed when a call is made. Apigee Edge provides precise control of an API proxy flow by segmenting each part of the flow. This includes default and non-default paths, as well as pre-flow and post-flow for both the request and the response. This capability enables you to maximize inter-API code reuse, maximize code reuse via custom flows for related resources, optimize the response for multiple flows, and optimize the client platform with multiple flows. So let's recap. APIs developed with Apigee Edge can leverage either out-of-the-box configurable policies or custom code. The flexibility to leverage standard implementation, configuration, and code improves developers' productivity by accelerating the time to solve both common and complex problems. Common themes and use cases are best handled with standard implementation and configurations. Apigee Edge provides traffic management, security, mediation, and other policies out of the box that you can leverage. You can also configure and reuse these across your projects. These policies provide common, consistent, scalable, tuned implementations for common functionality. Complex problems are best handled via software development, or a combination of configuration and development. Apigee Edge enables you to solve these complex and unique needs through extension policies. You can write these extension policies in JavaScript, Java, Node.js, or other external services. Whether your needs are simple or complex, Apigee Edge provides you with the flexibility you need to build APIs faster.